What's the meaning of archetypal? Archetypal. Archetypal.
Archetypal. Archetypal. The term archetypal refers to something that is representative of a certain type or category, and which embodies the essential characteristics or qualities associated with that type. This may be in relation to a person, situation, story, symbol, or any other element that embodies a universal pattern or prototype. The archetypal figure or motif often contains recognizable elements that recur across different cultures and historical periods, and are considered fundamental to human experience and understanding. In summary, archetypal refers to something that represents a universal pattern or prototype, embodying essential characteristics or qualities associated with that type.